Hi guys, welcome back with the third and last puzzle in this edition of not today's newspaper, because today's newspaper is Thursday, September the 23rd. No, it's the yesterday's newspaper on Wednesday, September the 22nd. Because in today's newspaper there are no extra puzzles, so I've decided to solve the rest of the puzzles of yesterday edition. And this one, the last one, is a tectonic with 4 stars. And the 4 stars, no, it's a 1 star, overlooked. This will be number 3438. 3438. Alright, 3438. And it's a 1 star, so I need to be faster than 15 minutes. Alright. And let me count the digits: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18 printed digits. Should be an easy one. Yes. Alright. So the first question to you. So let's get started. First question to you. Can we see here the single box or boxes? I see the single box. Single box is always a 1. Dual box. Do we have dual boxes in this puzzle? No. Triple boxes. Do we have triple boxes here? No. A quadra box. I see here a quadra box. Cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. More quadra boxes. No. Then the following strategy is to recognize some shapes, some figures, some constructions, some structures. For example, the L shape. We have here the L shape. Let me draw this. The L shape. If you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. Okay? Let me draw this here. This box has the same number as that box. More L shape here, upside down. So this box has the same number as that box. More L shapes? No. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Okay. Remember, if you see this kind of shape, this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Then the following shape, the T shape. I see the T shape. T shape. Remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1. Alright, so this box has the same number as that box. But also, that box has the same number as this box. Okay. Then the following shape. How about the shape? Let me draw this here. Remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 4. Okay. So this box has the same number as that box. Okay. More of these kind of shapes in this puzzle. Yes. Here, another one rotated. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1. Alright. Those are the shapes in this puzzle. that you need to recognize. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 in this puzzle, but there are more, but not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, you need to recognize those 4. Why? Then it's easy, that's the following step, for filling the numbers. All right. So let's get starting filling the numbers. All right. Let me see. These 3 boxes surround the 1, cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1, should be there. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1, should be there. These 3 boxes surround the 1, cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1, should be there. These 3 boxes surround the 1, cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1, should be there. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1, should be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1, should be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1, should be here. Then these 2 boxes cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1, should be here. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1, should be there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 1. Alright. Alright. Then 2 boxes left in this area for the numbers 1, 2. The 3 is missing and the 4 is missing. 3 and the 4, we see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 3 goes there. Alright. These 2 boxes can be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be there. Then 2 boxes left in this area for the numbers 2 and 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 2 boxes left in this area for the numbers 2 and 5. Let me mark those. Cannot fill this yet. Alright. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for the numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 2 goes there. And now we have a 4 there. So this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. And this box should be a 2. Now we have a 2 there. So this box can't be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. And this box should be a 5. Alright, these 2 boxes can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 5, can be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 should be there. I think this. No. These 2 boxes can be a 2. These 2 boxes can be a 4. So the 1, so the 2 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. So the other pair in this L shape are the numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 3. Okay. Alright. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 should be there. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for the numbers 3 and 2. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 2 goes there. Then 2 numbers left in this quadrat box for the numbers. No, 3 numbers. Oh, 3 numbers. Well, this box cannot be a 2. This box cannot be 3. So the 2 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 box left in this quadrat box for the number 4. And this box is connected with that box. So we also have 4. 1 box left in this L shape for the number 5. Okay. This box cannot be A4, that box cannot be A4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. Well, that means that that box cannot be a 4. If I place a 4 here, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box should be a 2, and that box should be a 4. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 5 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, should be a 5. 2 numbers left in this T shape for numbers 2 and 4. Let me mark those, 2 and 4. Alright. This box can be a 5. That box can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 2 and 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay. So this box can be a 2 or a 4. We have a double 2, double 4 there. So the 2 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 4. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 2 goes. And there, 1 box left in this area for number 3. Now we have a 4 there. So this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. And this box should be a 2. Now we have a 4 there. So this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. And this box should be a 2. Okay. These 2 boxes. Wait. These 3 boxes cannot be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. Now we have a 2 there. So this box can't be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. And this box should be a 3. This box cannot be a 5. That box cannot be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 should be there. And I've eliminated the 4. So the 4 goes there. 1 box left in this area for number 3. Okay. This box cannot be a 2. This box cannot be a 3. So the 2 and the 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 3. We share 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 2 goes there. 1 box left in this cross area shape for the number 4. And the last 2 numbers in this area for the numbers 2 and 5. 2 and 5. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 5 goes there. Finish in 30 minutes. Yes. Correct. Faster than 50 minutes. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe. And hit that bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find in my channel a lot of playlists for the Tectonic, playlist for the binaries, playlist for the letter Sudoku. I have also a playlist for the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus. A playlist for the heavy, for the medium, for the light, for the quintuplet, for the killer Sudokus. All kind of Sudokus or puzzles. I have a playlist. Just go to my channel and subscribe and you'll find them all. Thank you again for watching. Take care. Stay healthy and keep on puzzling. See you tomorrow on Friday. Until then, bye-bye for now.